How to use SHEIN Wallet money. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the SHEIN app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your SHEIN account. Then, once in there, tap on your cart icon at the bottom, tap, or you can simply add items to your cart if you have your cart empty. Then go to the checkout option available there. Once in the checkout, look for the payment option or toggle to use wallet credit or my wallet. Here all you have to do is scroll down and there you will get to see gift option available. There tap on the see more option available there. Once you tap on the see more, you will get to see wallet option available. Tap on the wallet, and if your wallet balance is available there, then you will get to see it, and you will have to tap on the apply to apply on this checkout. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.